In this video, I will show you how to allow download video on TikTok. First of all, to allow someone to download your video on TikTok, all you have to do now, after you open up your TikTok like this, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile now, tap on this menu at the top right side. So here is menu. Now tap on the settings and privacy. After you come to settings and privacy, now go to privacy again. Under this privacy now, scroll to down and tap on this section. As you can see now, here is the download section. Here is it, download. So as you can see now, the download option is turned off. So tap on the section. After you open the download section, as you can see now, here it says video download. So tap on this section to turn it on. So as you can see now, I turn on the download option now. Now go back again. So now I allow everybody to download my videos on TikTok. Now if you post a video, everyone can be able to download the video on TikTok. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.